Hello.
All right. Thanks for joining our channel, The Carlisle Projects. This is our sixth, isn't it? Sixth video, and I've got my co-star here and cameraman, Cameron, Wookie Bear Davis. He's going to join in with filming, but he wanted to join in the intro. Today we're going to do the ProClip cell phone and mounting system. I say cell phone, but they've actually got all sorts of electronics from GPS, MP3, that type of iPad holders. Found it by watching some RV channels out there and seeing how they hold their electronics in their trucks. The problem that I always had with my cell phone was that we've tried the cup holder mechanisms, but that takes up a cup holder. And we've tried the best option that I've found is these from Amazon. They go in the air conditioned vent, but as you can see, they take up a big slot of the air conditioned vent, and therefore you basically lose a whole vent. And big guy like me, I don't want to lose a vent, and that takes away some of the coolness in the truck, doesn't it?
Yeah. Especially
for you in the back seat. I feel like that takes away some of the coolness. So what we've done is try this new system, and let's see how it works. And today's shirt is Slava Ukraine, to support our brothers and sisters over in Ukraine. And he's rocking a Florida State. As you know, we're Florida State fans. So let's get to it. So, what you get in the box, packing slip. Looks like basically a brochure. I ordered two things. One, the mounting bracket, easy installations, I'm sure, that comes with it. And I have an iPhone Max, so I ordered the iPhone 13 Pro Max with, they even ask you what kind of case that you use. If it's a big case, kind of like an OtterBox, I would assume, or a slim case is what I use, or no case at all. And then they even ask you if you're wanting charging capabilities and things of that nature as well. So I do not want charging capabilities, because my previous video I installed the charging pad in the armrest. So I went with the non-charging holder. As far as costing, both of these combined were approximately, with shipping and what have you, it was just a little less than $100 US. So let's get to installation. You ready? Cool. The thumbs up, like, and subscribe.
How are you gonna, you should redo it.
Okay, go ahead.
No, you redo it.
Do it.
No.
I can cut it out. All right.
Like and subscribe.
All right, like and subscribe. So I've opened up all the packs. It's what it is, if you can see, it has a mounting on the top. Has holes that the system will screw into to hold on the top and then the facing, and it's going to snap over the dash, and has double-sided tape that will snap into another facing on the front of the dash. And it comes with a pry tool to not pry open, but to loosen, to get that lip, you see that thin lip, into the plastic molding. It'll make sense once we get in there. So it comes with that, the screws to screw the cell phone holder into when you decide where you want to put it or how you want to put it. So let's get in the truck and let's do it. All right, so what they include is a tool to slide into this seam. So this lip is going to go into this first seam up here, and then there's another lip that's going to go into this seam, and it's a very tight seam, they say. And there's double-sided tape there. I've already taken the liberty to peel off that tape. And so I'm gonna, it says to slide that in, and it slides in, and to slide this into there, and to center it where you want it, which I'm looking. I want it kind of centered in the middle there. I'm gonna go a little bit over, closer to me, so that I won't have to reach as far. And it says that it's very tight, and you have to press in, pull that away, and it'll snap right in. And that's it. And that's installed for that part. And that seems tight. So the next part is installing the phone holder or any other electronic device such as a GPS if you're doing an RV install or something like that. So let's get to that. All right, so in the center, you'll loosen that screw out completely to take the mount off, and then it comes with 4 screws, and like I said, I want it to be close to me, so I'm going to screw it into these mount holes here. Now I'll just take it and then I'll screw it back into there, but I'm going to leave it loose because I got to mount it to the angle. As you can see, it turns however you want it. I'm going to get it towards me and tighten it. That's pretty heavy duty right there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is tighten up these 2 screws and align this to where it's pointing in my direction. Now that we got it installed, let's talk about it. As you can see, it's really sturdy. The thing that I liked about it, I'll slide it out and show you, is hopefully you can tell it's got this track here that's built for the phone to slide in, and then a stop here. I like that. It makes it very convenient to slide your phone in and out, and it stops. And what I'm gonna do now that I've got it installed and thinking about it, I'm probably gonna find a wire on Amazon that's like 90 degree to go under here and run it here, and get those tabs that you can put here that are double-sided tape in case I do want to charge it to keep it running, because as you know, as you can see, when it's not plugged in, the phone will automatically go black. And you have to keep touching it unless you have ways up or what have you. That may be a downfall to it. So you may want to go with the charging mechanism that they offer with this, but they have arms that you can purchase to go here and here as well, for tire sensor gauges, GPSs, tablets, things of that nature. So you can craft what you would like for whatever makes you happy. But all in all, I had a road trip with it once already, and it worked great. It's sturdy. It moves a little bit, so you can adjust it to where you want. I left them a little bit loose so that I can, but still holds tight to adjust to where you want, so that it can pick up your face for it to unlock as you're going down the road. As you see, it just unlocked so that I can open it, and no complaints. So all in all, fantastic system thus far. So drop some comments below, hit the like and subscribe button, so me and Wooks can see that what we're doing is worthwhile. But thanks for your support, and have a good day.